Hey, are you a trader? Do you have a brokerage account? Well, let me ask you this. What happens to your trading account when you're no longer around? You see, most traders don't realize that brokers can freeze your account, leaving your beneficiaries locked out and your positions at risk. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to ensure that your loved ones can get immediate access to your trading account and avoid costly delays. All right, let's get started. So the reason I wanted to create this video is I was speaking to my broker the other day, and he was relating to me a story about an individual who had a lot of open positions and he passed away, and his beneficiaries could not get in and close out these positions, and they ended up expiring worthless. And he said that it was a horrible scenario because they were now faced with this position where they had this money they could have collected on, but it was no longer there for the beneficiaries because the rules that the brokerage house operates under prohibited them from giving the beneficiaries access to the account to make trade-related decisions over that account. Essentially, what happens in this scenario is that when you pass away, your loved ones now have to go to court. They have to open up the probate. They get letters of testamentary. Then they have to go back to the broker, prove to them that you're dead, that you're now the person that has access to the account, and then get the broker to step in and make those changes. So, if you've got a brokerage account, do not make this mistake of keeping it in your own name. And it's so easy to prevent this from occurring. Now, how do you go about preventing this from occurring? Well, what you need to do is change your brokerage account over to a limited liability company. This is where I trade. This is the majority of my clients have set up. What we do is we set up a Wyoming LLC for their brokerage account. Now, why did I say Wyoming LLC? Because it comes down to this. If you're going to set up an LLC for your trading account, why not set up that LLC in a state that offers the best asset protection and also provides you anonymity? Wyoming checks both those boxes. So we open up a Wyoming LLC for our brokerage account, and then we will take our existing account. Now, you say you got a lot of open positions sitting over here in this account. You can roll all those positions into your new Wyoming LLC brokerage account. So what you're hearing is that, hey, whoever you're currently trading with, open up your new trading account under your Wyoming LLC with that same broker, unless you don't want to work with them anymore. But the fact of the matter is that once you get it opened up, you can roll your existing positions into this company. Now you've got your trading account over here. That's where you're doing your trading. So the thing that I'm trying to impress upon you now is I want you to realize is that when you have it in an LLC, it's a business entity. Business entities do not die. Business entities continue as long as you want them to continue. So whatever happens here to these individuals, right? They can pass away. Maybe they're involved in a car accident. It will not impact the control over this account. So all you would need to do then, let's say here's your son. He comes along. You and your wife passed away in a car accident. He can contact the broker. He can say, listen, I'm now in charge of this limited liability company. I'm the member. I've taken over control. Here's a resolution stating I'm the one that's authorized to trade this account. They step right in and they can start making trade-related decisions over that LLC. You don't need to go to court. You don't need to get letters of testamentary. You don't have to have your account frozen because the individual account owner did not die. The individual account owner is the LLC. They are still alive. That is, the LLC is alive. So this is how you do it. If you want to preserve your trading account for your beneficiaries, then put it into a limited liability company like I just described. The second thing I would tell you is this. The access to this account, okay, how you log in. Most of us trade online. Make sure you provide the access to the account to your beneficiaries or whoever you want to have control of this if you're no longer here. Because before they even go through that process of having themselves put on the LLC account as the authorized trader, they can now step in and just log into your account and start managing those positions that you have open. Okay, because all they need is account access because they have your password and your username to get into there. The other thing to consider as well by providing this to them is that maybe they only have, personally, they qualify for level 2 trading access, but you, because you're an avid trader, are at level 5. So the thing about your positions, there could be an issue there. So if they have access to your account, then they're going to get that level 5 trading access that you had already established because the broker doesn't know that you passed because the LLC is the one that owns the accounts. So if you're a trader, you have a brokerage account and you want to protect it, that is a strategy I would recommend for you. Guys, I hope you like this video and you're thinking about things. This is a year to do it. Give us a call. You can go down in the show notes, set up a free strategy session. I have a link down there. Click on that link, reach out to us. We'll show you how to get this account set up for your brokerage account, or that LLC set up for your brokerage account, and get you started on the right path here in 2025. Take care.